everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you this makeup look which is for Ganesh Chaturthi, or you can wear this look at any festival. So I did this look like this silver jewelry rather than golden one because I have previously done a golden attire look on my channel like the previous year for Ganesh Chaturthi. So if you haven't checked that video yet, I'm gonna link it here so you can check. So this time I thought of making this video a little modern with a twist of Bohemian look. So this is what I have done and this is what I came up with. So if you guys want to know how I get this look, then please continue watching. So I'm gonna start off with the primer first, and I'm gonna use this highlighting primer from Swiss Beauty. This primer is really good because it not only just helps your pores and make it blur, but it also helps to give a subtle glow to your skin. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with these two foundations. So this one is the Fit Me foundation and this is the Makeup Revolution one. For concealer, I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro HD concealer. And now I'm gonna set my under eyes and my whole face using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. For my brows, I'm gonna use this Nykaa Wow Chica Brow Eyebrow Pencil. And I'm just gonna brush off my hair first. First, I'm gonna use this Nicka K palette in the variant Mocha. And now I'm gonna use this light brown shade as my transition color. So you just have to work with this color roughly above your crease. And now because I'm wearing a black and maroon combo, so I'm gonna apply kajal first as my lid color. Like on my lids I'm gonna use this black. So you can either use your gel eyeliner or you can use a black eyeshadow, but I'm gonna go in with this kajal so that the base becomes tacky. So just roughly moving it all over my lid. I'm just gonna blend it. And now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this color, like the metallic color. This is a sort of maroonish color. So I'm gonna apply it on my lids. But before that, I'm gonna spray some makeup fixer on this part of the brush, like the flat side, so that it catches good amount of this glitter eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. I'm gonna cover with this color, like the black with this color. And now you guys must be wondering why I'm covering the black eyeshadow with this glitter one, because this is what I'm wearing, like the combo is this black and maroon. And though I'm covering my lid with this color, but the black will still show through. So this is the whole idea behind it. I'm just gonna soften this maroon glitter as well. And now for my lower lash, I'm again gonna take this black color and tightline my upper lash line and the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take the same maroon glitter and I'm gonna cover this black color like the same thing I have done for my lids. Lash Renegade Mascara from Wet n Wild, and then I'm gonna apply my falsies and we'll be right back. For contouring, I'm gonna use the Sephora palette and I'm just gonna mix the contour and bronzer thing. For blush, I'm gonna use this Nicka K palette and I'm gonna use both of these colors like orange and pink. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the same color one, and it has all these shades, so I'm gonna mix this pink and white. This is what I usually do. For lipstick, I'm gonna go in with this Smashbox one and I'm in the variant Stepping Out. Alright guys, so that's it with this video. If you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, then please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I will see you in my next video.